first Uzbek truck under Tir-Karnet Convention reached to Pakistan. A milestone has achieved, and this was only possible through the collaboration of Best Trans from Pakistan and Asad Trans from Uzbekistan. This is the first truck but not the last. We hope we will bring hundreds of trucks per month from Uzbekistan to Pakistan, and we will give direct access of Tashkent to Karachi port and Gwadar port. Thanks Allah to help us to achieve this target. And also special thanks to Embassy of Uzbekistan in Pakistan, who makes the dream to come true. Thank you.